Surprise!
No, really, that's the name of the city.
And trust us, you're in for a real surprise with this home.
Did you know that Surprise, Arizona is actually where small town charm meets big city convenience? You've got the spring training, golf, hiking, lots of fantastic shopping and top-rated schools, so there is definitely something for everyone.
Let's take a look at this fantastic two-story home.
And our last surprise is this great balcony with these awesome open views at the community park, meaning that you don't have any backyard neighbors.
This backyard is a blank canvas just waiting for your special touches.
So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. We're here to help.